Synido Live 100 is a live sound card tailored for novice streamers, suitable for a variety of live stream scenarios such as singing, video, voice chatting, in-game communication, video dubbing, and live concert. It features a Type-C connector and three 1/8 TRRS audio connectors. Plug in the Type-C connector with a USB to Type-C cable to connect the sound card with your PC or cell phone. Plug in the 1/8 TRRS audio connector with 1/8 TRRS stereo audio cable to connect the sound card with your cell phone. Synido Live 100 can support connection with 4 cell phones simultaneously. Synido Live 100 has 4 different types of microphone connectors to support various types of microphones in the market. A XLR microphone connector can support a 48-watt large diaphragm condenser microphone. A 1/4 microphone connector can support a dynamic microphone. 2 1/8 microphone connectors can support the condenser microphones. It has 3 headphone jacks, including a 1/4 headphone jack that supports a monitor headphone and 2/8 headphone connectors that can support in-ear headsets or monitor headphones. It features a 1/8 line-out jack for connection with external passive speaker or amplifier, a 1/4 instrument jack for a connection with musical instruments such as an electric guitar, electronic keyboard, or a 1/8 live-in jack for playing external accompaniment sound source, such as mobile accompaniment. When you are live streaming outdoors, in order to keep your live streaming go on and the battery of the phone last longer outdoors, you can use another USB Type-C cable connecting to the power bank. Connect the product to the PC with the USB cable. Turn on the power switch and the sound card light will light up, which indicates the connection is successful. Connect a headphone to the sound card with a 1/8 headphone jack. Connect a condenser microphone to the sound card with a 1/8 microphone jack. Remember to power on the condenser microphone if applicable. Right-click and launch PC audio settings. Select Synido Live 100 as audio in device. Launch any karaoke, live streaming or recording software. When the phone you prepared has a USB Type-C or Lightning port, use an OTG cable for connection. Connect the side of the cable with a OTC sign to the phone and connect the other side of the cable to the USB port of the sound card, and then turn on the power button. Connect a headphone to the sound card with a 1/8 headphone jack. Connect a condenser microphone to the sound card with a 1/8 microphone jack. Launch any karaoke or live streaming software. Use a USB to Type-C cable for connection. Connect this side of the cable to the sound card and connect the other side of the cable to your PC and then turn on the power button. When the lights of the sound card is on, it means the connection is successfully. Connect the mobile phone to the sound card with a TRRS 1/8 male-to-male cable. Connect a headphone to the sound card with a 1/8 headphone jack. Connect a microphone to the sound card with a 1/8 microphone jack. Remember to power on the microphone if applicable. The mic volume knob is for local microphone volume adjustment. The treble knob is for microphone high frequency adjustment. The bass knob is for microphone low frequency adjustment. The line-in ends knob is to adjust the volume of instruments and customized BGM sound effects. The echo knob is adjust the volume of 6 fixed sound effects. The live volume knob is to adjust the volume of 3 1/8 live broadcasting port, Live 1, Live 2, Live 3. BGM volume knob is to adjust the volume of 6 fixed BGM sound effects. The rack volume knob is to adjust the volume of USB recording to computer. The music volume knob is to adjust the volume of music when connecting the sound card to the computer. The monitor knob is for local monitor headphone volume adjustment. It has 12 electronic sound effects for option. Short press the button to choose any electronic sounds. When you select it successfully, the button light will be on. There are 6 fixed sound effects for options. You can choose a suitable sound effects to meet your need. Short press the button, the light will be on. Synido Live 100 has 6 fixed BGM sound effects and 3 customized BGM sound effects. Long press the customized 1, 2, 3 button and play any computer accompaniments after connecting the sound card with your computer, or record with a microphone to make your own BGM sound effect. The maximum recording time is 15 seconds. Release button, recording complete. It also has built-in 6 fixed voice changers. They're boy, girl, child, Warcraft, robot, and Mars. When it comes to denoise, Synido Live 100 has 3 levels to set the denoise. Short press to choose any level. It will indicate blue, green, and red light separately from the first level to the 3rd level. When the dodge is on, during a microphone recording, the accompaniment volume will be weakened and the microphone volume will be emphasized. The vocal cut is used to remove all the vocals from the music, leaving only the accompaniment. Loop back button. Audiences in your live streaming room will hear the accompaniment from your PC or phone when the loopback is on. 48-watt button. Please leave the button to on when you use an XLR 48-watt diaphragm microphone. Bluetooth button. When you leave the button to on, connect the Mobilephone Bluetooth to play the Mobilephone accompaniment.